Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of United Kingdom. So United Kingdom, it has got four nations together. So this is a unique country that contains four other nations and all together that make United Kingdom. So we shall see about it. So the four nations are England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. So these are the four countries that make up United Kingdom. The capitals of these countries are London is the capital of England, Edinburgh is the capital of Wales, Cardiff is the capital of Scotland, and Northern Ireland's capital is Belfast. So four of them have got their four independent capitals. And the first three, that is England, Wales and Scotland, barring Northern Ireland, these three make up the Great Britain. So Great Britain is a part of United Kingdom, we can say that. So but only Great Britain is United Kingdom is wrong, because there is also this Northern Ireland that also makes the part of United Kingdom. So this is how United Kingdom has got a unique framework. And the currency of United Kingdom is British pound sterling, and this is an island nation. We shall see the bordering countries about the maritime borders and the direct bordering country. So this is a part of British Isles. British Isles is an archipelago. So this archipelago is about a group of islands. So all these group of islands are in British Isles. So in this big archipelago of British Isles, United Kingdom is present. And the bordering countries are, United Kingdom has got only one country that is with land border, that is Ireland. We shall see that. And all other countries I have listed here have their maritime borders or sea borders with United Kingdom, as it is an island nation. The countries that have this maritime border are France, Belgium, Netherlands, Sweden and Denmark. So it has got these European countries as its with its maritime border. We shall locate all of this. And it has got four seas around it: English Channel on its south, North Sea on its east, Irish Sea on its west, and Northern Atlantic Ocean also on its west. So we shall also locate these. And to speak something about international relations of United Kingdom, it is permanent 5, one of the P5 members of United Nations Security Council. So 5 nations are permanent in UNSC. So United Kingdom is one such nation which is amongst this P5 permanent 5 countries. It is also a member of NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It also heads Commonwealth. So Commonwealth group of nations contain 53 nations. So this is a political association of all those nations that used to have earlier the former colonies of Britain. So that those are all Commonwealth nations, and 53 of them have their head, a single head of United Kingdom. And 16 amongst these 53 have the British Queen as their head of state. So Queen Elizabeth II is the head of state for 16 nations of Commonwealth. And the Secretariat of Commonwealth is also present in UK. And UK is famously called as the home of two very important things in the world, that is modern parliamentary democracy and industrial revolution. So this is a huge thing in the history of the world, industrial revolution. And modern parliamentary democracy is in so many nations. All of them have taken it from United Kingdom. And it is also a birthplace of so many famous sports. So these sports I have given here have their invention from United Kingdom. They are soccer, rugby, golf, cricket and boxing. So all of these famous sports are invented in United Kingdom. So this is how it takes a very great lead in the world. And recently it is in news because of a topic called Brexit. Brexit is withdrawal from the European Union. So United Kingdom used to be a part of European Union, but the Britain Prime Minister has announced Brexit, that is, it is withdrawing from the European Union. So that is why it is in news. And here, with respect to United Kingdom, we must also know about certain islands surrounding it. So apart from these four nations, as part of these four nations, there are also islands that belong to United Kingdom. They are the Hebrides, Shetland, the Orkneys, the Isle of Man, the Isle of Wight, the Isle of Scilly and Channel Islands. So all of these are also surrounding United Kingdom, and they are part of United Kingdom except two, that is the Isle of Man and Channel Islands. So except the Isle of Man and Channel Islands, all of them belong to UK, but these two do not belong to UK. They are depending on the British Crown, but they have their own autonomous setup of governance and all. Except Channel Islands and Isle of Man, all the rest belong to the United Kingdom. All these islands, so they are part of British Isles. So now we shall go with mapping of United Kingdom. To give a form to this United Kingdom, it somewhat looks like this. So this is the basic form, the basic outline of UK, as these are islands, and this is United Kingdom. So in this, let us go with mapping the first four nations that make up this. So till here, this is Scotland of UK, and all of this is Wales, and all of this is England. So these are the three nations, and here there is Northern Ireland. So this is separated as a separate island, but these three make up a single chunk of land, that is Scotland, England and Wales. This is Northern Ireland. Now we shall go with mapping the borders or bordering countries around UK. Now Northern Ireland has got a direct border with Ireland. So this is Ireland. So this is the only land border that the UK has got, and rest all are maritime borders or sea borders. So this is the European border. So on this European border, the countries that share maritime border with UK, or I have listed here, you can see this listing. So from south we shall go. These countries are France. Next it is Belgium. Here it is Netherlands. This is Netherlands. And after Netherlands we have Sweden and Denmark. So all of this is Denmark. So this is how they have maritime borders with these coast of the eastern coast of UK: France, Belgium, Netherlands, Sweden and Denmark. And here Ireland has got a direct border with Northern Ireland. So only land border is Ireland that UK has got. Next we shall go with mapping the seas. The English Channel is on the south of UK. Here is the English Channel. And North Sea is present on the eastern side, North Sea. So here is the North Sea. And Irish Sea is present over here on the eastern side of UK, you can say. So this is Irish Sea, and on the same eastern side, all of this is North Atlantic Ocean. So this is how the seas are present around UK. Next, let us go with mapping the islands around UK that belongs to British Isles. Hebrides islands are present over here. So here there are Hebrides. Shetland Islands are present over here. Shetland. And here in the same place near Shetland there are Orkneys Islands. Orkneys. And after that we have Isle of Man. Here in the Irish Sea we have Isle of Man. And next we have Isle of Wight. Isle of Wight is present over here. Isle of Wight. And Channel Islands are present over here. Channel Islands. And Isle of Scilly is present over here. Isle of Scilly. So this is according to the listing I have given here. So all of these except Isle of Man and Channel Islands. So these two do not belong to UK. They don't belong to UK. Isle of Man also, it doesn't belong to UK. And rest of the islands belong to UK. So this is the basic mapping of island things around UK. The borders it has got with the European side, maritime borders and direct border with Ireland, and the seas around it: North Atlantic Ocean, Irish Sea, North Sea and English Channel. So this is a brief thing about UK, and thank you.